I get it, you want to hear this exhaust. But before we do that, I want to let future GTO owners know that you should never assume, like I did. See, I knew this JDM GTO was a little different from a US-spec 3000 GT because it smells a little funny. Not rich, not rotten eggs, just enough to let you know that the cat is 30 years old and the Japanese were slightly less fanatical about emissions than the US. During my initial inspection of the car, I saw it looked like a normal catalytic converter. I figured it was the same size as the US-spec 3000 GT, just filled with less precious metals. After all, that would allow Mitsubishi to use the same part for every car built. But as you know if you've read the story, that's not the case. So in ordering this Tanabe or any other exhaust for your GTO, keep in mind it's not a universal fit from a 3000 GT like so many other parts, because the GTO's cat is shorter. Oh, and it's clocked wrong too, just for funsies. Anyway, they cut the Revel exhaust out of muffler shop, welded on an extension, and the crisis was averted. I try my best to be thorough with this thing, but it happens. Oh yeah, the sound. Here it is. Now, it's a little on the quiet side, but it does leave room in case I want to add a downpipe or a test pipe later on, or a high flow cat even. But right now, I think that it sounds pretty good for what really is a luxury Grand Tourer. Thanks for watching. I'm Mike from Machines with Souls.